I want to forgive, forget, and let go, but I can't. Every piece of paperwork and that's the effort I've made. I try to live my life without thinking of you as if you don't exist. But every time I have to write your name, all the memories come back. You did not come back after saying goodbye 22 years ago. I hoped for months and years you will realize you made a mistake and make up for the time you were absent, but that never happened. I remember when you were leaving, I asked, can I come with you? You said no. I did not understand. What have I done wrong? Was I cursed? What could have I done to prevent you from leaving? Was she really worth leaving me for? Was she really worth leaving us for? And looking back 22 years later, I know I did nothing wrong. It was just a choice that you made and you could have done differently if you wanted to. And I'm at no fault in all of this. But I struggled the most. I did not understand. I never got an explanation. I never got an apology. But every time I have to write your name, all the memories come back. You did not come back after saying goodbye 22 years ago. You left and I never saw you again. And I kept hoping you'll search for me again one day. And that never happened. I'm 27 now. Do you even realize that?